government is seriously anxious to ensure that we transform our society to an egalitarian one where everybody will enjoy the necessary facility that will boost the economy and the social life of the people.
Adúpẹ́lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run nínú tí ìjọba wa ń ṣe àsìkò tí wọ́n á san wọ́n dẹ̀ ń san wá sí. Ó dáa gan bọ́n ṣe ń ṣe afárá olókè méjì torí pé wódọ̀ọ̀kù bí mọ́tò ó ṣe máa ń tẹ̀déra tí òfin jẹ́ kéèyàn tètè délé yẹn á dínkù.
I can assure you it's going to transform the social life of our people. It's going to make Ekiti State a better place for all of us, and it's going to assist in the road and transportation networking across Ekiti, and it's going to help in the security architecture. That's the truth.